In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up default templates on QuickBooks. Whether you're running a small business or managing your personal finances, customizing these templates can help streamline your processes and make your invoices and forms look professional. So let's dive right in and walk through this step-by-step process. First things first, once you've logged in, you'll find yourself at the QuickBooks online dashboard. This is where you have all the options at your fingertips to manage your financial tasks effectively. Now, your goal is to locate the Settings menu. This menu is represented by a gear icon, usually situated in the upper right corner of your dashboard. A simple click on this gear icon will reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, you're going to want to navigate to the section that's labeled Custom Form Styles. Go ahead and click on that. The Custom Form Styles section is essentially your control panel for how your forms appear. Here, you want to find the button that says New Style. Clicking on this button is your gateway to creating a fresh style for your template. Shortly after clicking, you'll be presented with several options for the specific template you desire to edit. This might include invoices, estimates, sales receipts, and more. Choose the template that best suits your business needs. Once you've made your selection, it's time to personalize it further by giving it a unique name. Naming each template can be a huge organizational aid, especially if you're planning on creating multiple templates with different styles. To name your template, just find the space that says Add the template name and type in the name you've chosen. With your template selected and named, you can now let your creativity take the wheel. Editing the template's design allows you to incorporate your company's branding, which is crucial for maintaining brand consistency across all your financial documents. Take some time here to tweak the elements so that they align perfectly with the image you want to convey. Now, once you're happy with the adjustments and modifications you've made to your template, the next move is to click on the Done button. This action saves all your changes and establishes your new template as the default style for the document type you were working on. And just like that, your template is ready for use. Customizing default templates in QuickBooks Online can make a significant difference in your day-to-day operations, allowing you to present a professional image across all your financial documents. Thanks so much for tuning in today, and remember, the more organized and personalized your QuickBooks experience is, the smoother your financial management will be.